Hello everyone. The core wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine is follow nature. Our body's health is closely connected with seasonal changes. Spring is for waking up young energy. Eat fresh vegetables and keep gentle exercise. Summer is for clearing dampness and heat. Avoid staying in air-conditioned rooms for too long. Autumn focus on moistening lungs. Eat mild and nourishing food. Winter belongs to storage. Keep warm and do gentle tonic. TCM wellness is never blind maintenance, but adapting to nature to prevent sickness before it happens.